Well, g'day and welcome back everyone. In this video we're going to be having a look at this Peterbilt 352 pacemaker 1979 model from IXO, a 143 scale. It's in a green so it's TR184.22. The Peterbilt 352 pacemaker 1979. Okay, let's get this out. Alright, that's out. The cardboard's off there now. Now I'll just cut this bit of tape that's holding the top on. Should lift up. There we go. Nice green with the sort of a multicoloured green stripes. Alright, let's get this off the base. Got two screws close together on this one, so there's nothing at the back. Just those two. One screw is not even in all the way. So I don't know what was going on there. Hopefully it comes out alright. Just a little tight, but it's out. That one is tight. See if that screwdriver does a better job. No. I've noticed that a few screws on these IXOs are a little difficult, and that's not looking too good. Okay. Let me pause that and I'll try and get this out. Alright, I've been trying to get that off, but I can't get that off as yet. So I'll have to go down the shed and get a couple more screwdrivers, see if I can get it off. Very, very tight. Tightest screw I've ever had, I think. We'll see what we can do. This is why I like not having screws to hold the vehicles down. Alright, see what we can do. Right, I'm back with a couple more screwdrivers. See what we can do. Not looking good. Not looking good at all. I've also got some vice grips here with me, and that's also not going to work because well, this is a bummer. No, which one worked best? I think it was that. Alright, let me pause this again. Well, I finally broke it free. Only just. I thought I broke everything, but I managed not to break anything, which was quite surprising. Wow. That was yeah, that was too tight, that. Yeah, it's the problem though. Jamming those fine threads into the cast there, they just get a bit tight every now and then. Alright. Alright, that's on the turntable there. Now let's start having a look. There's something I've noticed already. So we're missing a windscreen wiper there. There's some sort of something on that one. Need some tweezers. There we go. It's come off. Just a bit of fluff. Something like that. Got my fingerprints all over it now. So yeah, you do have to be careful with these windscreen wipers. But anyway, let's have a look. Apart from that wiper missing, we have a, what plate is this? Trying to can't quite see it. My eyes aren't good enough. So a couple of lights down here on the bumper. Headlights look good. There's no problems there. We have a little vent here. And then the Peterbilt and 2 grab rails up here, which are cast in, just painted. Windscreen looks good. Up the top, a couple of horns and lights. Now, that's like an air filter. I'm not sure if that's for the cabin. The cabin, the sleeper there. There's no air filters at the back here, so I'm not sure they've got that there for. On the side we have, let me put that down there. On the side we have an aerial here. We've got mirrors and a spotlight up the top, and then the grab rail on the side here is a separate piece. We've got 2 stacks, tank on either side. We've got the deck plate there, and then in here we've got an opening which does have the motor in there, although you can't lift the cab up on these. It's just black, but there is a motor in there. The turntable here pivots very easy. Rear mud flaps. We've got 10-hole wheels. So yeah, fuel tank on the side. I know we've got air filter there. So I'm not sure what the deal was there with that. Whether it did run down into that air filter. Which seems a bit silly to have it going through the sleeper. Then we've got Peterbilt here. And we do have, yes, we have a window down here which is see-through. The toolbox for the sleeper and a vent door. Got a visor. And let's have a look underneath. It's all green under there. No steering. Just got IXO on the bottom of the tank there. And then Peterbilt. Gearbox. The shafts there. This is airbag suspension on the rear. Tyres pretty good. That rolls smooth, that. Definitely rolls smooth, that one. Righto. That's not too bad. Pretty good looking Peterbilt. Those two back wheels don't quite touch the ground. Not bad. Alright. Quick video of that one. It was very difficult to get off, but I'm glad I did without breaking something. I definitely thought I was going to break the aerial here anyway, and that, but lucky I didn't. Okay, check out the next the videos coming up, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, catch us later.